Hey guys, voice reveal. So, I think my Firestar plush came in, and so I think this is my Firestar plush because honestly, it has my Aunt Lisa's address, and she said that she was gonna that she got him in the mail and that she was gonna send him out to me as soon as possible. But if this might not be the plush though, I'm not completely sure. But I bet you it is. Yep, it's the plush, guys. It's coming. He's coming. I got him. He's so pretty. He's so huge, too. Is there an opening? There's an opening in the packaging. Jeez, he's huge. I wasn't actually expecting this. He's humongous. Look at how pretty he is. I'm so happy. He's so soft. Little ThunderClan symbol on his paw. The little... He's so pretty. Warrior's tag. Yep. He finally came in. He's so pretty. It's a pretty huge tag. Thunder. I love it. He has little whiskers. He has little whiskers. It'd be beautiful. He's here. He's so cute. I love his markings and his pattern. They made the eyes really well. Even the inside of the ears. He's so pretty and well made. Especially the paws, but like... He's so well made. I love him. I'll be sure to snuggle him every night. Look. I suggest you guys get one of these plushies for yourself because they're really soft and well made. Okay? Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. And also, consider that as a voice reveal. Okay? I revealed my voice for the first time.